This is the 16 by 102 Leblond engine lathe. Try to give you a little bit of an overview here. One thing we're going to mention right here at the top, this machine has 24 speeds, but there are 8 speeds at the mid-range that are out of it. So those speeds you got there, 79 through 400 in the middle, are out. Just give you that right off the top. That readout is working. Does have a taper attachment. Does have the one steady rest there in the bed. It's also got those collets there with it. Some collets, but I do not see a collet chuck, so it looks like it's just got that 3-jaw chuck on it. Alright, so we got power on it. Let me go ahead and run it for you. Reverse on the carriage. It's going to be the half nuts. Once again, it is working. The head sounds good, but you are going to be missing those mid-range speeds. will be 79, 167, 106, 224, 134, 290, 189, 400. You need to work around that. You've got both the other low side and the high side.